everyone, this is Niharika and you're watching me on my YouTube channel Tani Vani Makeovers. So I have created this quick makeup look. So after moisturizing my face, I quickly switched to corrector. I never skip corrector even if I am doing a quick makeup look. Then I used a Kryolan Derma concealer, which was exact match to my skin tone, and you can see I'm blending it on my entire face. So what I do, I just apply the concealer and I drag that extra concealer onto my entire face and try to get the coverage. I do not use foundations in this kind of look because I don't have time to blend the entire face at that moment. So after blending the concealer on my entire face, I will quickly switch to powder. I am using a MAC Studio Fix powder. It is kind of a foundation powder. So it will give the extra coverage on my face where I have not applied any foundation. So basically I just use one corrector, one concealer, and then blended it out on my entire face, and I'm setting it with MAC Studio Fix foundation powder, the compact powder. Then I've taken a K Beauty eyeshadow pencil. It's a brownish, it's a very subtle brown shade, and you can see I'm blending it. Then rather than doing the lip liner, I used a lip crayon and I lined my lips, and then I'm using a liquid lipstick. After that, I am applying a gel liner. It's a gel liner in a pencil form. I am applying it as eyeliner, and then I will apply a liquid liner. You can see I am applying the liquid liner here. It is the NYX pen liner. Mascara. It is the mascara from Essence. I have taken the blushes after this, and I have combined two blush. It's a pink and peach blush, and applied the blushes on my face. Then I'm applying the same shade on my eyelid as well. Last, I'm just blending out everything together. I'm using the Bahama Mama bronzer on my eyelid as well, so it kind of looks put together. Now you can see I've just removed my lipstick. It was too dark for me. I removed the excess lipstick and then I had applied a very lighter color lipstick, and this is the final look. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.